Hello, and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get call option on TikTok. But there is some few steps that we should do to be sure that your account is qualified to have this option. So the first thing that you should check, you should be sure that direct messages are available to your account. And you should know that messaging option is available only to registered users on TikTok application, and especially the users who are 16 years old and more. So if you are less than 16 years old, you can't have this option now on your account because DMs already are restricted on your account. So the second thing that we should do is you should be sure that TikTok is up to date. You don't need to update TikTok app because this call option is a new option. So you have to be sure that you updated TikTok. For me, it's up to date. I think that they dropped a new update today. So the next thing that you should do is you should check your direct messages settings. So we go to TikTok, and after that click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that go to settings and privacy, go to notifications, and after that scroll down, and as you can see there is a new option here called voice calls. Click on it, and here it will tell you from where you want to receive like the notifications about these phone calls. So if this option is already available in your account, that means this option is already activated on it. So for example, you can set it to everyone, and I don't advise you to set it to everyone because in that case anyone on TikTok can call you. Second option is people you follow. That means people you already followed and usually they follow you back. And the third option is no one. So in that case, TikTok will not notify you in about any call that you are receiving through the app. After that, you should go and to check the option, open a chat about, for example, this is my friend. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, we have now these call options. It's activated on my account and activated also on the account of my friend. And also there is another important thing. This option may not be available of your account if you got any type of strikes or bans from TikTok on your account on using direct messages. And if the call icon still does not appear on your account, in that case, the option may not be available for your account yet or for your region. So you may need to wait for a few days or maximum few weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. And after that, the option will be available directly on your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.